Okay, so here we go with the long form video for YouTube. Notice the three pyramids that accent my table. And we have the banners hanging down. We have my book right here on the corner for people to check out. And of course, postcards and the new phone app cards. And then it gets very, very interesting. Looking into the cases, you see the Sugilite dragon in back and the Buddha goddess. Also the rhodochrosite Buddha, a jade sphere, and this museum piece with 46 points of light of Ahoite, which has gotten a lot of interest. Then we have our Moldavite right next to our jade signage. And the jade goes back with some very cool specimens in the back there, including this amazing face, full ring selection, non-jewelry items, carvings. We have Buddhas and cats and bracelets and even purple jade here, which is kind of cool. And then in this little pyramid, we have super duper rhodochrosite, the horses and a sphere and a great big jade kind of three-legged bowl and a very unusual fluorite, bicolor fluorite, a little bit of gold back there. This malachite has gotten a lot of attention. And then you have the wave dolomite in the back, as well as some nice touchable jades. So we have the jade there, and then we have a combination of our heart collection of Moldavite, as well as rings, and a little Sugilite mixed in there for fun, some super duper specimens, and gold set Moldavite with some citrine, natural citrine, which is kind of cool. Little necklaces there. We come around to the mailing list, and over on the front, so that was the corner, there's my aisle and my neighbors. This is the scene around here, and we have a smorgasbord in front of jewelry. Fantastic turquoise, rough, set, unusual and interesting pieces. And then over here we have more the heart collection. We have some reproduction Sugilite, and then of course all the real Sugilite here, including the gold set pieces, some gel pendants, carvings of Moldavite, and then some very cool opals set in onyx, and some rare Illinois fluorites, praise quartz, very cool opals and big Moldavite pendants, kind of great. And that's our Sugilite sign. And then as we look from here, this is what people see when they're walking down the aisle. Then we have this other pyramid with a big Moldavite, a praise quartz, a little cool squirrel, the amazing double terminated aquamarine, the dolphin shaped visual in the Larimar piece, more wave dolomite, Siberian egg, Oregon opal, Sugilite sphere, and a bigger jade sphere with a very cool twinned tourmaline in the back. So here we have necklaces, and here we have Moldavite, where I've marked the price per gram. And then over here, that's Moldavite the way it's found, and some Sugilite mixed in. And back we have tumbles and rough, this cool boulder opal skull, and then this amazing mammoth tusk that stands up, and some slabs of Sugilite, and then cabs. Very, very nice items. And some more carvings, bracelets, and outstanding Moldavite pieces. Then we have Vesednitsas, all under 1,000, nice pieces. And that's pretty much the scope of what we had to offer here at Pueblo 2023. Take another little walk around, and that's what we're talking about.